Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create an Steam account on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I am on my iPhone, but you can follow exact step on your Android mobile. Creating a Steam account on your mobile device is quick and easy, and it'll allow you to dive into the world of gaming in no time. To get started, open up the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Steam. Download and install the Steam mobile app on your device. Open up the Steam app. After that, tap where it says Learn More About Steam. It will take you to this web page. What you want to do next is scroll down a bit and tap where it says Don't Have a Steam Account. Here on this page, then type in the email address that you want to associate with your Steam account. Confirm that email by retyping it. This will automatically determine the country of residence based on your location. You can also change that if you want, and then confirm that you are not a robot by completing the CAPTCHA. And then put a check mark next to this to confirm that you are 13 years of age or older and agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement and the Valve privacy policy. Once you've done that, tap on the Continue button. Now Steam will send you an email to the email address that you provided. So exit the web browser and find that email. It should be in the inbox of the Mail app or the Gmail app. Once you've found it, tap on it and then tap on this button, Verify My Email Address. Once you've verified the email address, go back to the account creation page. What you want to do next is enter the Steam account name and then enter a password. Retype that password to confirm it. All you have to do next is tap on the Done button to complete the account creation process. So that wraps up this tutorial. So that's basically how you can create a Steam account on mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.